Say hi. Good afternoon, everyone. Mr. Long here and my teaching assistant, Liam. um, I want to thank you guys, and I'm so proud of you. And Miss Hero is so proud of you for being so diligent and working hard on your online assignments. And we want to remind you not to get too stressed out or overwhelmed with all the work that we're assigning. Just take it day by day. If you're doing your reading, you're doing your reading logs, reading a little bit each and every day, then you'll be fine. I know Mr. Rowe has posted a lot of discussion questions, so if you have time today or tomorrow or sometime over the weekend, please post your responses. We're not going to be signing any new work. Yeah, I know. We're not going to be signing any new work tomorrow or over the weekend, so if you have any work that you haven't completed yet, just focus on that. And if you've done all your work, then boom, 3-day weekend. I did want to cover something that's super important. I just uploaded a Hoot Read Aloud. Want to get that? I just uploaded a Hoot Read Aloud that gives a link to a YouTube playlist. And on it, a teacher, Miss Kearns, reads every chapter out loud. So you can follow along with her as you read Hoot if you're finding that Hoot's a little too difficult to read on your own. All right, guys. Well, I don't want to really overload you with anything else. So just keep doing what you're doing. And if you haven't been doing anything, then you better be doing something. And use the time today and tomorrow to make up any of your missing work. As always, if you need to email Miss Esteban or Miss Rowe or myself, we are more than happy to help. All right, guys. Stay safe and have fun with your families.